everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make stamp drawings. So make a fist and put paint on the side. Now stamp it on the paper. We are drawing prawns here. Look how pretty these are looking. It's very easy to draw the eyes and it's done. Let's make this beautiful drawing. So simply put the leaf and trace lines around it. Remove the leaf and draw different things inside. You can use your creative mind as we are drawing different house, doors, windows and trees inside it. Draw a beautiful sun, clouds and grass around. Let's color it and it's done. Fold the paper into 4 parts. Now you can use this fruit foam net, draw the trunk of the tree and dab the paint on the top of it. You can make different designs like this. Cut it from the top and it's done. Simply pour the watercolor and spread it using scale. You can create different designs, make the eyes using clay. Your beautiful cats are ready. Simply use sketch pens as well. Add more patterns and it's done. Here we are going to use earbuds and make these beautiful flowers. Let's get started. Tie many earbuds together and dab the paint like this. You can use one earbud for the white. Draw the leaves using sketch pen and it's done. So we're going to make stamp drawing today. Simply take this polythene, tie a knot and then we're going to flip it. Put the green paint using brush and stamp it on the paper. Here it is ready. Let's draw the flowers using pink paint and look, it is ready. Add more details like this and look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.